Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today me and my cousin Amia are gonna play some Break a Point.
Yep.
So, let's do this. Sway is better.
I want Sway, but I don't have
Enough. Oh, you're disguised.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be cracked at this. Look at this. Donna, take her chocolate.
I might get
Take her
chased.
chocolate, Donna. Take the chocolate. No, take all her chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
I don't mind what she's. I don't mind how she says it though, but it's just it's funny the way she says it though.
Bakugo.
Are you trying to save up for another like Rebel or something or a Sway?
Yeah. That's why I'm trying to play Breaking Point. Or I'm trying to trade someone for Arctic. Cause that's worth for Rebel. It's for two Rebels. He declined. And he didn't respond. Because he's right there.
A. What is for the A for?
I think he's talking about you. Oh, lag XD.
What?
He's speaking English now?
Oh, I disconnected.
Oh.
Bree, stop it. Bree, stop it.
Got him.
This keyboard's so nice.
Got her. And got him. I'm gonna try to throw him like this. Oh my god.
It made me leave. I got a game that's scary.
This video ends when I die. This video ends when I die. That's the challenge.
Oh fuck. Get the fuck away from me, bitch. Bitch.
Got him.
Bitch. Bitch.
Fuck. Got him. He's in first person. And she's on the table. That's a bad combo. Oh shit. What the? Oh, I got him. Oh my god. Clutch.
This is now gonna be my little base. Why the fuck is there?
No, I thought. Bye, guys.